Compatibility with Python. 2 important criteria. Hash import of Python modules, completely, perfect interoperability in Mojo. Hash ability to migrate code to almost certain extent, since several features are yet to be supported by Mojo. Example, classes. CPython. Mojo based on CPython. CPython can be defined as both an interpreter and a compiler as it compiles Python code into bytecode before interpreting it. It has a foreign function interface with several languages, including C, in which one must explicitly write bindings in a language other than Python. CPython Mojo. Mojo provides plug-in compatibility, existing code. At the same time there is new compilation and runtime system. Key differences. Although Mojo uses CPython to run existing code but availability accelerate and bring up the Mojo for high-level programming. Use of mechanical migration tool for code migration from Python to Mojo. Challenges in Python with respect to Mojo. Python implementation like GIL, make Python single-threaded. GIL, global interpreter lock. GIL allows only one thread to execute at a time even in a multi-threaded architecture with more than one CPU core. Even though Python provides better performance with libraries like Bumpy TensorFlow PyTorch and Ecosystem. Limited programming system for accelerators. OpenCL, SYCL, One API. Ongoing efforts to replace GIL. Need to build embedded specific languages, DSL, domain-specific language. MOJO Programming Manual. Mojo, easy use as Python. Mojo, performance of C++ and Rust. Mojo, provide access to complete Python libraries. Mojo, NXT-Gen compiler offers caching, multi-threading, cloud distribution technologies. Mojo auto-tuning allow write code that is portable to even most exotic hardware. Mojo, unified program model. Explanation of the sample Mojo program. The sample Mojo program is a simple program that prints hello world and a sequence of numbers from 9 to 3, counting down by 3. The sample Mojo program is a simple program is stored in a file named hello. Fire emoji, or hello.mojo extension. The program defines a function named main that prints hello world to the console using the print function. It then uses a for loop to print a sequence of numbers from 9 to 3, counting down by 3. The program is executed using the Mojo command line tool, passing the name of the file as an argument. The Mojo tool executes the program and prints the output to the console. Possible bugs for identification. If the hello.mojo file does not exist, the Mojo tool will throw an error. If the hello.mojo file contains syntax errors, the Mojo tool will throw a syntax error. Possible improvements. Add error handling to the main function to handle unexpected errors. Add command line arguments to the program to allow the user to customize the sequence of numbers printed.